Uni-T Ut121A. It is a Catiii 600V, mixed display 6199, LCD skin multimeter, Ut battery 1.5V AAA 2-piece. Its size is 143 x 74 x 17 mm. Its APO function is 15 minutes. Test pen is a Catiii 600V, CATII 1000V, and 87 cm long, 4 mm plug. DC warp is 6 to 600V. AC warp is 0.6 W to 600V. Continuity mix is 6000 ohm, and when lesser than 50 ohm may be B-sound on. Resistance is 1 ohm to 10 mega ohm. It have NCV function and light function. And let's see the user menu. Now is in Chinese user menu. And this emitter comes from China. Okay, let's see the function. They come with a saw pump bag. And a test pen. The battery compartment in the wheel side, I open it. It U2 1.5V AAA battery. And the NCV sensor in the top side. And the yellow key is a power on-off key. And now it's auto mode. And there is NCV mode and light check mode. And one part again may be in live check mode. They have 4 barcode mode. And next is a backlight skin key. Plug again may be cancelled. And the blue key is a whole function data and the flashlight key. The whole function only function on auto mode. Part 1 for hold the data. And long part the blue key may be the flashlight on. Now check it. Part again may be off. The back test lead in the left side and the wet is in the right side. Let's test the meter now. DC weapon test. Now 2.5 watt. This meter show 2.5 watt or 2.499. 5 watt. It show 4.999 watt. Need a foot reading. 7.5 watt. It show 7.49 watt. 10 watt. It show 9.99. Sorry, 9.98 watt. Need a foot reading. Okay, next test. Normal AC voltage test. It show 220.8. Need a foot reading. Resistor mode test. When short circuit of the testing, it tend to 0. Now see the minimum of 0.5 ohm. It displays 0. And see the minimum 1 ohm. It displays 0 ohm. Okay, 10 ohm. Sorry. It displays 10 or 11. 10.4K. It shows 10.03 or 2K ohm. 20.03K. It shows 19.99K. 2 met. It shows 1.998 met. This meter mix is 10 met. I see 10.9 met. It also shows the 10.99 met. Okay. Let's see the continuity B sound. It mix is about 65 dB. And let's see the latching. No response. It fast. No response. 1, 2, 3. It about 3 seconds maybe have a B come out. And the test lead maybe 10 to 0. Try again. It use 3 seconds of this meter. Okay, next test. And this meter no die function. And try to light on the LED. No. No. It cannot light on any LED. Okay, next test. And this meter in 50 ohm also have B sound. Let's test. Now above 50 ohm, there is a 46 ohm. Okay, next test. And this meter auto function test. Now testing the DC first. DC. It shows 9.18 watt of DC. AC. It shows 220.8 DC. And the resistor. It shows 21 ohm. It show 36 ohm. And it show 27 ohm. Okay, next test. NCV and light hot wire check. It must be first put on the NCV switch and come with EF come out. And let's try it. It about 2 cm have one display. And near 1 cm they have one display. Near is have 2 display. And touch also have 2 display. And let's see the cable function. Near 1 cm have 1 display. Near is 2. And found the hot wire maybe 3 come out. Okay. This meter must be use the wet test lead for testing the hot wire may be good. And now see you the bad test lead first. And first must be turn to the live check function. Put again the NCV switch. And now it's in live hot wire check. And let's see the bad test lead first. It have one function and other no function. And in the hot wire there maybe show the live come out. Also the bad test lead. Oh, let's see the wet test lead. Neutral have a 1B come out. Earth no. Hot wire they have a B sound and live display. Okay, test finish. High DC voltage test. Now see the 50 watt. It's so 55 watt. It need a foot reading. Now see 100 watt. 110 foot. This meter show 109.6 watt. 250. And this meter show 271 watt. Sorry. It need a full reading. 500 watt. It is the this meter mix function. And foot is 449 watt. And this meter is 448 watt. Okay. Next test. And this meter no frequency measure. It wear the auto function in AC mode for testing. The minimum is 7 Hz in AC 3 watt ohms. And under the frequency may be not stable. And this meter max frequency is 1.8 kHz in 3 watt ohms. This meter max frequency is 5.3 kHz, but the AC reading is error. APO function test. And this meter when not in use 15 minutes may be auto close off. When power on the meter have a logo that is a APO function. And when you want to cancel it, first turn off the meter, pop the NCV, and power on the meter. And hit VB, the auto power off function may be cancelled. Okay, now time testing the APO function by power on the meter and testing. Okay, now video speed up now. Meter T down. There are battery compartment, and there are two screws in the downside. I loosened it before. That is the back side of the cover. At the inside circuit board, there are battery compartment and an input jack. Let's see the meter. There is a born-in IC, the no name, and the LCD driver. Okay, let's open it. Okay, now fully open. That is the soft key. There is a huge LCD screen and a touch switch, gold contact, battery compartment, and it's solid for the backlight. And that is the LCD skin, transparent. That is the backlight module. Inside, they have no any other component, only the circuit board. Okay, T down finished. NCV test. Ut121 have one display and touch is a 2 display. And home temperature test. Volts is 27.3 and Uni-T is 27.2 and Ut121A is display is 25. Okay.